Hello guys, welcome back to another Things. But for today's video, here going to show you or discuss you how to fix lag and stutter in Schedule 1. So if you're having problems with Schedule 1 here and it's lagging or stuttering here, there are going to be a few things that you could try doing. So first thing that you could try doing here is you maybe want to close any unnecessary apps that you're currently running right now. So in this case, you want to press Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard in your desktop here, and you want to select any apps that you're not using. So like for example, if you're using multiple browsers here, maybe close one of them, or in this case, maybe close all your browsers, because sometimes browsers consume a lot of memory. That's why you may be lagging here or stuttering in your PC. Now also, if you have any running background apps here, maybe close them. Like for example, if you're running torrent here or any other apps, go ahead and just close them. Another thing that you need to do here is you want to make sure that your GPU is fully updated. So you want to open up the software for your GPU. So if you're using NVIDIA, go ahead and open up the NVIDIA app here, or if you're using AMD, go ahead and open up the software for AMD. Now you want to go to graphics at the left side here, under drivers, and you want to go and click on the update or download button you see at the right side here. Now once you've actually fully updated this, you could go ahead and just restart your PC and see if that actually helps. But if none of this actually worked, there's one last thing that you could try doing. So in this case, what you actually do here is you may want to go to your settings here. You want to go to graphics and you want to go to quality. Now by default, it may be set to ultra here. So maybe you reduce the quality, like for example, try high, then medium, and see if that actually helps. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NF Inspo. Thank you for watching.